squad. In this step-by-step tutorial on how to mine the new mini app Telegram bot, I'm going to show you how to mine and instantly withdraw lots of Tonee coins and Floki tokens to your Tonee wallet address. Very quickly, guys. You will agree with me that there are so many mini app bots everywhere and every day on Telegram currently now, and a lot of them are not cooking yet. Neither are they looking promising, like they just ended Notcoin mining. I know you made a lot of money from Notcoin Airdrop, and you wished other similar Telegram bots would cook like Notcoin as well. But for the past month now, your expectations are beginning to drop by the day, as the popular ones like that of Hamster Clambat, TapSwap are yet to pay up till now. But in this video, I'm going to reveal a secret on how to accumulate and how I accumulate and withdraw free Tonee coins to my Tonee wallet and free Floki tokens to my Bybit and Binance. You know that Floki token is already listed on centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Gate.io exchange, and so on and so forth. So if that sounds interesting to you, sit tight, relax, and watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, you may consider subscribing to this channel and turn on your bell notification so that you will be notified each time I upload any new content on this channel in the future. Mind you, on this channel, I talk about crypto, airdrops, and subsequently, I'm going to be revealing to you how to get Web3 jobs like DeFi jobs and so on and so forth. Welcome to my Web3 classroom. Hey hustlers, let's make some money. So all you need to do to participate in this Tonee coin and Floki mining is your Telegram app and your Binance account or any other centralized exchange accounts such as Bybit, KuCoin, and so on, even Gate.io. Okay, you also need your Tonee wallet to participate in this airdrop, right? Because you're going to be withdrawing your Tonee to your destination, like your Tonee wallet. So if you need a detailed tutorial on how to create your Tonee wallet with ease, endeavor to comment Tonee wallet or Tonee Keeper wallet in the comments. So when I get a bunch of these comments in the comment section, I will know that you guys need a tutorial on how to create your Tonee wallet. Now, let's talk about the Tonee mining bot. So first things first, you will need to click on the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, and it will take you directly to Telegram. If you clicked on the correct link, your dashboard should appear like mine, as you can see on my screen right now. So here it's saying, welcome to Tonee. Parel Durov said at token 2049, Tonee is making digital ownership easy for billions, so let's put crypto in every pocket. Tonee is here to join hands to realize that dream with Tonee Foundation. Discover the revolutionary Mind2Earn app built on Telegram. Don't miss the opportunity to increase your income and strive for financial independence with us. Alright? You can join the alert channel here by clicking on join alert channel. You click on this link and click on join. As you can see, there are a lot of subscribers here already, so you click on join. All right, I've reached my maximum. All I have to do is to leave some channels so that I can join more channels, because I'm not on the premium yet. All right, I'm not on the premium yet, so I'm going to upgrade to premium soon, but not now. Right, I'm going to go back. So all you have to do is join. Okay, if you're still you still have some space, you can still join. All right, so let's quickly start the app and see what they have for us. Okay, I'm loading this app right now, so in a few minutes my screen is going to be ready. Right, so as you can see, guys, I already have 1,100 Floki. All right, and I'm going to click on withdraw to see the minimum withdrawal here is 40,000 Floki, and you are going to be withdrawing this and sending it to your BSC wallet address. Okay, you're going to be sending it to your BSC wallet address. That is, you're going to go to maybe Bybit KuCoin, Binance, or even your Trust wallet to copy your BSC wallet address, right? BSC stands for Binance Smart Chain, alright? So you copy your Binance Smart Chain wallet address and paste it right here. When you paste it here, this is where you input your personal BSC wallet address. And then here is going to be where you're going to input the token, the number of tokens you're withdrawing to that address. Network fee is 4,000 Floki. So if you have accumulated up to 40,000 minimum Floki amount is 40,000 and the fee is 4,000. So you need to accumulate up to 44,000 Floki. 4,000 is going to cover for your fees and 40,000 as minimum send amount. All right, so you input the amount here and then you click on send and then you wait for them to process and send it to your destination address. All right, so let's go back and okay, as you can see, I have 0 ton balance because I'm just starting. All right, so if you click on withdraw here, as you can see, a lot of things on the screen is talking about ton. In fact, it has ton icon, right? It has ton logo, ton, right? Ton. As you can see, everything is blue and white, and ton is about blue and white, guys. So you click on withdraw ton. Everything here has withdrawal button because it's eligible. That's like you can withdraw it instantly. It's an instant withdrawal button. So just click on withdraw here to see. They say minimum send amount is 0.4 ton. All right. So when you get to 0.4 ton, you'll be able to withdraw this to your address. Right. Enter your ton wallet address. This amount will be sent to your ton wallet. Minimum send amount is 0.4 ton. Enter your personal ton wallet address and the amount you want to withdraw. Network fee is 0.01 ton. Right. So if you accumulate 0.41 ton, 0.01 will be subtracted for a network fee and 0.4 ton will be sent to your wallet address. So you need to accumulate as many ton as possible. All right, so now you click on send. Ton already has value. 1 ton right now is about $7 point something. So 0.4 ton will be something around $3, right? So it's worth it, guys. So you have to accumulate as much. You can even accumulate 10 tons, right? Depends on how serious you are with this project. All right, guys. So let's go back, and as you can see here, all right, I've talked about ton, I've talked about Floki. Now Tonee, all right, you'll be gifted Tonee when you buy Miner. Right, so what is Tonee? Let's click on that and see. They say Tonee serve as points that allow users to receive airdrop tokens in the future, with 50% of the Tonee airdrop allocated to Tonee holders. Right, 50% of this airdrop is allocated to Tonee holders. Additionally, Tonee acts as a basis for receiving various incentives and rewards from the project. You can earn more Tonee by inviting friends or renting at least one miner to activate the ton mining feature. The hash rate in gigahash per second of Tonee mining, once activated, will correspond to your current hash rate in ton mining. Right, I'll explain that much later. All right, guys. So as you can see, this thing is rotating. Right, this thing is rotating and is mining. Right, look at my hash rate. My hash rate is just 1 gigahash per second. Right, it's just 1 GH per second. All right, so that's the reason why it's slowing. Right, it has been accumulating just small like this, small like this. So for you to increase this your ton, for you to increase your mining speed or your mining rate, you need to upgrade. Right, upgrade miner by clicking here to upgrade miner. If you click here to upgrade miner, you see that they have different mining booster packages here. Right, here there's a mining booster. Here you can rent your mining power for 30 days. The investment profitability is 4.87% per day. Your profit is 4.87 per day and 146% for 30 days. So the packages are Core i5, Core i7, Core i8. Right, for Core i5 you need minting power, as in you'll be getting minting mining power of 10 gigahash per second, and your renting period is 30 days. Rent price 1.42 ton. So if you have 1.42 ton, you can consider subscribing, as in connecting your wallet and buying this booster. Right, then your 30 days profit is 2.076, right? 2.0736 ton, and your daily reward is 0.06 ton. and this thing is withdrawable as soon as you get to the minimum withdrawal threshold, right? So you can increase your, if you want to purchase two of these Core i5, you can just simply click on this plus button, click on it to increase. You keep clicking on it. If you have, if your pocket is up to 10, if you can afford up to 10 Core i5 package, okay, if you can afford up to 10 Core i5 package, then you click on purchase, all right, if that's what you can afford, all right. So next is the Core i7, right? Click on Core i7. Okay, let's reduce it to 1 and see what we have there. So for the Core i7, your mining power is going to be increased to 100 gigahash per second, and rent period is 30 days, of course, and rent price is for 14.2 ton. 30 days profit is 20.734 ton, right? So if you can calculate that, 20.7 ton is just like 20 times 7, because 1 ton is $7, 7 point something dollars. So now if you multiply that, it's roughly about $150 worth of ton that you're going to receive at the end of 30 days, guys. That is $150, roughly about 200k, right? 200,000 Nigerian naira. Okay, so you may consider, doing this. This is not the financial advice. If you love it, you can consider doing it. All right, so let's go back. Right, that's that. And if you go to the Core i9, you see the package, right? You just have to navigate it and see what you have here, right? So if you're interested and you have ton, you can connect your wallet and purchase it. Just click on connect wallet and select your wallet and purchase it. All right, guys. So next is invite, right? You can only claim this when you have accumulated a reasonable amount of ton, right? If you have accumulated up to, let's say, 0.1 ton or 0.4 ton, you can click on claim ton here and claim it to this your ton balance, to your ton balance above. You can claim it to your ton balance above, and then you click on withdraw if you have met the minimum withdrawal threshold. All right, guys. So introducing proof of payment. If you click here, it will take you to their proof of payment place, right, where you subscribe to their proof of payment channel, right? So because I don't have much space, right, I'm not going to do that right now. So you can consider joining their channel. It's safe, guys. So let's go back, and if you want to invite your friends, let's click here and invite our friends. Okay, all you have to do is to copy your wallet, your invite link. Copy your invite link, right? Invite friends and receive 50 Floki and 100 Tonee bonus for every account you invited. You can also receive 1% cashback in ton each time your friends rent a miner booster. If you don't have money to rent, you don't have ton to rent a miner booster, when your friend when your friend rents a miner booster, you're going to receive 1% cashback in ton each time your friends rent the miner booster. So you just copy your link and invite your friends, and for a limited time, instantly receive 30 Tonee for each mission completed by your invited friends. So these are the missions. Okay, you're receiving 30 Tonee for free from each mission completed by your friends. Now, I've already completed some tasks, and I also have 8 tasks available. We'll reward you immediately you complete each of these tasks with Floki tokens. All right. So now they say react to last 5 posts. Okay, react to last 5 posts. You go and react to last 5 posts. Either you react, you react, like, you react, anything at all. You know how to react now on social media. Just react, and you react to 5 posts, and you get 100 Floki for free. Now you join their chat group, which I've already joined, and receive 500 Floki. Just do this simple task. They are very simple, guys. I don't want to waste much of your time. They are very simple, guys. Rent your first miner booster. You get 5,000 Floki for free. Follow them on their Twitter, like and retweet on X, tag your friends on X, join our Discord. Initial bonus, right? This is the initial bonus. If you join with my link, you're getting this bonus for joining with my link, right? So you check the link in the description or in the pinned comment of this tutorial, and you're going to get 500 Floki if you click on that link, right? You connect your Tonee wallet, which I'm going to show you in a jiffy, right? So here you click on wallet, and you're seeing connect wallet here. So you click on connect wallet, and you're going to choose either you're going to click it and connect it to your open Telegram wallet, right? But I advise that you use Tonekeeper or my Tone or any other external Tone wallet, but Tonekeeper is the most safe, right? So you click on Tonekeeper and it will take you there and you connect your wallet. It's very simple. Just follow the steps there. Very, very simple, guys. So we are waiting for our. So we are here, guys, and they say we should connect wallet. So I'm going to click on connect wallet and enter my passcode. And it's done. All right, it's done already. I've connected my wallet, and then I'm going to go back to Telegram by clicking on open with Telegram just once, and it's going to take me right back there. So it's that simple, guys. Very simple. So it's loading and it's going to connect me very well. All right, so let's just close this and all right, let's refresh this place. I don't know why it's not connected. All right, guys, I don't want to waste much of your time, so let's wrap it up here. And guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video.